Alright, spot number 2. If you see my last 2 little videos I threw up, I caught a 5.7 back here on, what did I catch that on? On a swim jig. And then I caught, I think it was like a 5.3 on a Bullshad swim bait. So we are trying to get another big one on the swim bait. Let's do it. Let's see if we can stick a good one. That's all I'm looking for, is a good fish. One good fish and we'll probably leave. So I've been beating this place up lately until I catch a big fish, and then I leave right away. But yeah, let's start with the little Huddy gill. I see some big movement in the water. Probably some big girls around looking for some breakfast. It's about 8 a.m. right now. We're gonna get it done. Let's throw the Bullshad in there again. This is why I caught the 4.5 on the other day. Let's see if we can do it again. Hopefully. I feel like the Bullshad's gonna get it done. I got a lot of confidence in this bait. I love throwing this bait. It's definitely a power fishing bait. Chuck and wind, burn stop, burn stop. Look at all of this little bait in the water. And I'm gonna spook them out into the deep. And hopefully those big girls are coming knocking. Oh, I got one. I got a good one, boys, right away. This is a good fish. Oh God. Oh, this is a good fish. I hope I'm recording. Oh God, this is a good fish. You don't want to come up. Oh God. Oh, he's not a crazy good fish. Look at him fighting. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. What am I talking about? I've caught this fish before. I'm almost positive I've caught this fish. Yes, boy. Oh yes. Right off the bat. Ah, on the Bullshad. Look at that. That is what's up, boys. That's how we do that. Look at that Bullshad eater. Yeah, I swear I caught this fish. I swear I caught this fish. I hooked him right behind the eye. Oh yeah, that's a solid fish right there, boys. On the Bullshad. On the Bullshad. Yes. This isn't a giant. I'm not even gonna weigh him. He's probably about 4 pounds, which is a good fish, don't get me wrong. Hell yeah. Heck of a fish. I think I've caught this fish before because of this freaking weird knot on his side. What is that? I don't know what that is. It's got a bloody tail. Nice fish. Let's let this girl go. Get out of here, girl. There she goes. On the Bullshad. Man, the Bullshad's been doing work for me lately, I'm telling you. Just burning it through those shade lines, and man, can't beat it, boy. Well, if we can't get bit on the Gantarel, oh shit, I'm gonna fall. If we can't get bit on the Gantarel, we're gonna have to just dip and come back later. There's one. Oh, that's a good fish, you guys. I got another good one. I got another good one on the freaking swim bait. Oh my God. He's bigger than the first one, I think. Unless I hooked him weird. We got, oh God, that's a big one. We got another good one. Stay down, boy. We got another good one. Where are you going, dude? Oh God. Oh, I'm gonna lose him on the wood. I'm gonna lose him on the wood. Oh yes. Are you seeing this, you guys? Oh my God. Yes. Oh my God, I'm sinking so deep. I'm gonna lose this fish. Holy shit balls. No, he's pinned. We got him. I'm gonna walk him over to the solid ground. This is dumb. If I lose this fish, it's 100% my fault, but dude, that might go 5. Yes, boy. What you know about this? Swim baits, baby. I'm not out here catching 30 fish at a time, you know. This is so ghetto right now. I'm not catching a bunch of fish, but I caught a 4-pounder, and this is at least another 4-pounder right here on swim baits. On swim baits. Oh, don't hook me. Oh, nasty black mud in my mouth. Oh God, he's gonna fuck me up. Come here, buddy. Nope, I don't want to do that. No, my thumb's stuck up in there. Oh God. I'll get him by the bait. Oh no, my rod went in that nasty mud. Yes. I look like a damn amateur landing this thing. I'm just not trying to get a hook in my arm. Okay. Let's go. Got him. That's another solid 4 all day. Yes, big swim baits for the freaking W. Hell yeah, boys, hell yeah. Let's go. Let's get a weight on this big mama real quick. It's not a giant, but it's probably 4 all day. We're zeroed. Let's do this. Oh yeah. What the fuck? This scale sucks. 443. 443, boys. So that other one was probably right around the same size. So we got about 8-9 pounds in 2 fish on big swim baits. You can't beat that, man. Come on now. Now, could you have done that with other baits? Maybe, probably. Who knows? But you can't beat this. Look at this freaking big mama. Get out of here. There she goes. Let's go! Midwest Launch Mob, baby. Join the mob. Oh, big baits for the fucking win. Let's do this.